Everything in our world is made up of atoms and molecules. They create everything, every item, every living being, and everything in our universe. You may be asking yourself one question now. What was the first particle in the cosmos, and when it appeared in the initial phase of our universe? Even if you haven't asked these questions yourself, now is your chance to learn more. So I can only say, my name's Floating Brick, and we are about to dive into the formation of the particles and molecules. After the Big Bang. As I explained in my first video on this channel, if you didn't see it, watch it after this video to understand everything like an expert. So the Big Bang happened really fast, in a fraction of seconds, more precisely between 10 to the power of minus 35 and 10 to the power of minus 33 seconds after the Big Bang, the universe expanded. This expansion of the initial universe is described by the inflation theory, which was developed by the physicist Alan Guth in the 1980s. During the inflation, the universe volume grew by a factor of 10 to the power of 30. Some sources even say it grew by a factor of 10 to the power of 50. Those are enormous numbers. For atomic particles to form, the universe had to cool down, a process that can be described by inflation theory. Tinier quaks. So simply, the universe was cold enough because the room in which the particles were expanded, allowing the first particles, such as quarks and electrons, to form. Quarks are the smallest particles known today, and they, along with electrons, are listed in the Standard Model of Elementary Particles. If you want to learn more, take a look at the sources in the description. Just microseconds later, quarks combined to protons and neutrons, which are fundamental to atomic nuclei. These were formed within 3 minutes. After that, things slowed down a little bit. Wait, no. Considerably. After the speed limit of cosmic evolution. After the high-speed formation and expansion, everything went very slow.
Sir, stop.
It took 380,000 years for the first electrons to become trapped in orbits around nuclei. First atoms formed, and the lightest ones, like hydrogen and helium, were born. Hydrogen and helium are the simplest atoms known to us. They are also the most common in the universe. But wait, there are so many more elements listed in the periodic table. Where did these come from? Stars as fabrics for heavy elements. Stars are like power stations. At their core, they fuse hydrogen into helium. If a star is large enough, it can produce heavier elements such as carbon, oxygen, and iron. In my next video, I will explain how stars and galaxies form. So before we get to the first molecule, follow along and click on the subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss anything. First molecule. First connection between atoms. In a sense, you could say that the formation of the first molecule was one of the first love stories in our universe. Isn't that romantic? In all seriousness, though the first molecule was formed around the same time as the atoms. According to the Max Planck Institute, the first molecule was the helium hydridium. Can't be seen from Earth with observatories because the Earth's atmosphere renders the molecule's wavelength invisible. It was discovered with a telescope in orbit called SOFIA. Nowadays, there are numerous molecules on Earth and in space. They differ in size, weight, characteristics, and much more. They are like Lego blocks that can be used to build a whole world. That's it for today's video. I'm sure you have learned something new. And if you're interested in something in particular, take a look at my sources from which I obtained my information. They all can be found under the numbers which appeared during the video, in the video description. Share your thoughts in the comments, like the video and click on subscribe. And if you want to get a notification of every exciting topic about our universe, ring the bell, even it can't be heard in the silence of the cosmos. If you did everything, I say welcome in my universe. You will be an expert in the future. Until next time, hopefully right now in another video. Yours, Floating Brick.